So when Disney Movie Insiders was about to go away, I redeemed all my points mainly on 3 Blu-ray DVDs. This is one of 3. This is the Finding Nemo Collector's Edition Blu-ray DVD. They all shipped individually in this packaging right here, and it's nice to see that the one I got actually came with the slipcover. They don't always do with these reward redemptions. And then with the packing slipped, this is what it would look like. But here's up and personal with the slipcover. It's really cool, it's nice shiny, and it's embossed. Disney's Collector's Edition always has an outline in gold, and it includes the Blu-ray and DVD in this set. There is an Ultimate Collector's Edition, which is outlined in silver or platinum, and it'll have a lenticular slipcover, but this one's still pretty nice with the shiny slipcover, and you can see how old it is. It has a free movie ticket admission to see Monsters Inc. in 3D in theaters back in 2012. But here's a look at the spine of the slipcover. It has the infamous seagull. And then on the back, you can see that it still had the old Disney Movie Rewards logo before it became Movie Insiders. And then you can see the 3-disc combo pack, some of the bonus features that's available on the second Blu-ray disc. And from what I can tell, the Blu-ray disc at least is completely region free, so it has region A, B, and C. Couldn't tell with the DVD, it doesn't really say, but I can imagine since it doesn't say a specific region, I think it's also all region DVD, which is great news if you're trying to buy this overseas. But removing that slipcover, you get a DVD cased set. So back then there was still more prevalence of DVDs versus Blu-rays. You'll see that change once I do my unboxing of the Finding Dory set. But this is the larger DVD casing, and I'm just going ahead and remove that shrink wrap. Alright, so here it is. Let's take a look. Opening it up, you get some of the paperwork that you used to get, which is a lot of advertising. So this is the old Disney Rewards Club code right there, which is unfortunately no longer valid, but then it also, makes you reminisce all the stuff that you used to be able to redeem those points for. And then the other piece of paper is just an advertisement of their other Finding Nemo style products or Disney Pixar products. Man, what a throwback. Anybody still remember that 99-cent deal or the DS games? But let's take a look at the discs it come with. It's a total of 3 and they're individually stationed, so that's great. Hate the stacking method. First up is the feature film on Blu-ray. In addition to the movie itself, it'll come with a lot of extra features like, deleted scenes, that theatrical short knickknack, and a few other like movie director discussion type stuff. Then the second Blu-ray disc has even more features, so it may have a little bit of a repeat with the aquarium, but then it has a lot more outtakes. The DVD then has the feature film plus the short and maybe a little bit of bonus features since DVDs can't pack in the same amount of capacity as Blu-ray. But take a look at this artwork for all of them. It's really quite cool. So glad that Pixar movies still fully flesh out the artwork on the discs. So that's what you get for the collector's edition of Finding Nemo. Definitely subscribe to my channel to see my other unboxing videos of movies.